Aiden with his new toy you got for Christmas. Yeah, in the bottom drawer. Aiden, that Woody car doesn't go in there, but we don't care. We put it in there. And watch out, because here comes Boris the Tyrannosaurus. Roar! Put your foot in his mouth. Roar! Daddy? Be careful with Boris. Be careful. Merry Christmas, Aiden. Bye.